Good morning, friends. Today we discuss about the oxidizing and reducing properties of the P block element. What is meant by the oxidizing and reducing properties of the P block element? The oxidation is the process of the. It means that the removal of electrons. Oxidation in which the removal of hydrogen, addition of oxygen. Here in this case, the removal of electron. First, oxidizing and reducing characters are the oxidizing and reducing properties of the P block element. Which element shows the oxidizing and which element shows the reducing properties of the P block element. The oxidation, it is a process in which the electrons are lost. Yes, electrons are lost, and reduction is a process in which the electrons are gained. And thus, an oxidizing agent is a substance which can take up the electrons, while the reducing agent is a substance which can supplies the electrons. So this is the oxidation, reduction, and oxidizing agent and reducing agent. Oxidation is a process. Oxidation, it means that loss of electron. Reduction is a process it means in which the gain of electron takes place. And oxidizing agent is a substance which take up the electrons or which can gain the electrons, and while the reducing agent which can supplies the electrons or which can give the electrons is known as the reducing agents. The electrons of low ionization energy will have the greater tendency to lose the electron than the higher ionization energy. It means that the low ionization energy, the first group elements and second group elements. The first group elements are alkali metals, second group elements are alkaline earth metals. Here in this case, the low ionization energy will have the greater tendency to lose the electron. It means that suppose if we consider the group first A and second A, the outermost cell in the group first A, only one electron is present. It can easily donate the electrons. And while in case of the alkaline earth metals, here in this case the outermost orbit which contains two electrons, this also gives the two electrons, but it required smaller amount of ionization energy than that of group first A, because duplet is completed in the outermost cell. Suppose the electronic configuration of beryllium, atomic number of beryllium is 1s, atomic number of beryllium is 4. It means that in the S subcell, first subcell 1s2, 2 electrons are present. In the second subcell 2s2, 2 electrons are present. The electrons of low ionization energy, the group first and group second, and while in case of the group 13 and 14, it required these elements are low ionization energy than that of the group other groups, that is the 14th, 15th and 16th. Continuously ionization energy is increases. Since the ionization energy and the oxidation potential of the P block element is decreases with rising atomic number in the period. Continuously the ionization energy is increases, and as well as the oxidation potential of the p block element is decreases with continuous atomic number is increases along a period. The reducing properties decreases. Reducing property is decreases from group 13 to 17, and properties oxidizing properties increases in the same order. Oxidizing properties are increases in the same order, that is in the group third period. First element sodium of the group 1 is strong reducing agent. The last element chlorine of group 13 group 17 group 17 chlorine bromine iodine is the strong oxidizing agents because it required strong oxidizing agent. The intermediate element, that is the silicon, germanium, phosphorus, sulfur, have only intermediate character. It means that these elements shows the metalloidal property, metal as well as the non-metallic properties shows. The group in a group ionization energy decreases. In a group ionization energy is decreases from top to bottom. If we consider the p block element from top to bottom, the ionization energy is continuously decreases because the number of cells are increases, screening effect, and the size of the atoms or the ions or molecules. So these factors are affecting on the ionization energy decreases from top to bottom in the periodic table. Hence, the reducing character is increases. Hence, the reducing character is increases, and oxidizing character is decreases as we move down a group. So this is the oxidizing and reducing properties of the p block elements. P block elements, because the reducing from top to bottom in the periodic table, reducing character is increases. Reducing character is increases due to the atoms, ions or molecules from top to bottom. The ionic size is increases, atomic size is increases, screening effect and silting effect, as well as the number of cells are increases. Due to that, the protons present in the nucleus and the electrons present in the outermost cell, the continuously the capacity to attract the that's why the less tightly bind with each other. Due to that, the reducing character is increases from top to bottom in the periodic table of the p block elements, and oxidizing character is decreases. Oxidizing character is decreases as we move down a group. Oxidizing character continuously the decreases in a group because the because of the ionization energy is decreases. Due to that, the oxidizing character is decreases down a group.